Alright, let's work some more on our back panel. For it to be a bit easier, go to app.js and change the default state flipped to true. So we always start with the backside instead. Now we want to be able to select different cities. So we want to have a list of cities on this side of the card. So let's make a cities list component. Create new file, src citieslist.js. Import React. And export a function. We're going to return an unordered list from it, with list items being cities. For now, let's just hardcode a few. Now go back to backside.js. Import the cities list component. Now we'll be rendering two components, our button and cities list, so we'll need to have a wrapper div around them. I've prepared list.css. Copy it to your src folder. I've already done this. And then import it in your cities list component. Oh, this CSS file also requires checkmark.svg, so don't forget to copy it as well. Apply the classes from list.css. Good job!